Welcome to this video on how to make a paper chain. What you will need is a pair of scissors, some sticky tape or some glue, and some strips of paper cut to similar sizes. You can either use plain paper, coloured paper, or draw patterns on the paper if you want to, or what I've done is chosen some pretty different colours to create the paper chains. You can mix and match and make it as long as you want to. So the first thing you will need to do is cut your strips of paper to very similar lengths and sizes. They don't have to be perfect, but the more similar they are, the better. Then, for the first thing, take your first strip of paper and curl it around into a circle, just like so. What you need to do is then stick it so that it sticks together. You can either use glue or, like I'm doing, use some little strips of sellotape that have been cut up already and just stick it over the edge so that it seals. Okay, so then you've got a nice little circle. Then you just repeat that with the next piece of paper. As you can see, I'm alternating what patterns I'm using for which circle, just so that it adds a bit of colour and a bit of variety to the chain. Then you literally just keep going and keep adding another circle to your chain. You can go in a certain order, or you can just mix and match and go for whichever one you think you want to. As you can see, with what I've done is I've already cut up little strips of sticky tape just to make it easier and quicker for you to do. Oh. And then you just keep going with each one's adding and adding until you've got a nice long chain. And just for speed, what I've also done for the sake of this video, ran out of tape, is I've created a section already made. As you can see, which I'm then just going to attach to the one you've seen me making to there create a nice long chain. Then what you can do with your chain is hang it from your fence, from a tree, from a shrub, or anywhere in your garden to help decorate it ready for our summer fair. Plus, if you use paper or patterns that you like, you can then potentially move it to your bedroom and decorate your bedroom afterwards. Something else that works well is magazines, so using cut up pieces of magazines or different things like that. We'd love to see the paper chains you make, so if you do make any, please post them in the comment section on our social media and we'll look forward to seeing them. Thank you.